first lecture of our course, AWS Identity and Access Management Fundamentals. Today we embark on an essential journey into the world of cloud security with a specific focus on the critical role of identity management. Now this lecture, titled AWS IAM Fundamentals, will lay the groundwork for understanding why identity management is a cornerstone of a secure cloud environment, and introduce you to AWS IAM, a powerful tool designed to address these challenges. Well, let's get started. Let's talk about the cloud security landscape. The cloud offers significant advantages, transforming how businesses operate by providing flexibility, scalability, and efficiency. This allows organizations to deploy resources on demand and scale as needed, revolutionizing traditional IT infrastructure. However, data and services are hosted across distributed networks, often spanning multiple geographic locations, which complicates security, oversight, and management. This setup reduces control due to being outside corporate firewalls, limiting the effectiveness of conventional perimeter-based defenses that organizations once relied upon. Consequently, this environment heightens the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches, underscoring the urgent need for advanced security strategies to protect cloud assets effectively. And as we move forward, we'll see how these challenges shape the need for robust security measures. So why is IAM, Identity Access Management, important? Well, there's a number of reasons. Firstly, identity management serves as the linchpin in mitigating the security risks inherent in cloud environments by establishing a structured process to define, control, and monitor access to these resources. This creates a secure baseline for all operations. It also ensures that only authorized individuals, applications, and services receive the appropriate level of access tailored to their specific roles, fostering a secure and efficient ecosystem within the cloud. And by preventing these insider threats, external attacks, and compliance violations, it protects the integrity of the cloud infrastructure, safeguarding sensitive data and operations from harm. Furthermore, it addresses vulnerabilities such as overprivileged accounts or weak authentication mechanisms, which could otherwise lead to catastrophic data exposures or unauthorized intrusions, making it an indispensable component of cloud security. Like, imagine a scenario where an employee with excessive permissions accidentally exposes sensitive data, or a malicious actor gains entry due to weak controls. These are real risks that identity management aims to prevent. So let's move on to the next slide. This is just a short introduction to AWS IAM. AWS Identity and Access Management, that's what it stands for, IAM, emerges as a vital service within the Amazon Web Services ecosystem, serving as a centralized mechanism to manage user access and permissions securely and act as a central control point for your cloud environment. It also empowers administrators to create and control user identities with precision, offering granular options to tailor access to specific needs, ensuring each user has a defined role. And by supporting policies and roles that enforce the principle of least privilege access, granting only the minimum permissions required, IAM reduces the risk of overexposure and enhances security posture. Additionally, its scalability ensures that as an organization grows and resources demands increase, the security framework remains robust and adaptable, making IAM an indispensable tool for protecting AWS environments. IAM is foundational to every AWS account, providing the tools to safeguard your resources against unauthorized use. So let's go through some of the key features and benefits of IAM. AWS IAM stands out by integrating seamlessly into the cloud security landscape, offering fine-grained control that allows administrators to regulate specific actions such as launching instances, managing storage, or accessing databases with precision. This capability enables the tailoring of access to match individual job functions, significantly reducing the risks associated with overprivileged accounts and enhancing the overall security posture of the organization. Furthermore, IAM's support for scalability ensures it can adapt to growing AWS usage, accommodating increased resources demands without compromising the integrity of the security framework. And beyond basic user authentication, it provides advanced security layers, making it a comprehensive solution for safeguarding cloud environments as they evolve, empowering you to tailor access precisely and reduce the risk of overprivileged accounts. Now, what about IAM in the context of compliance? AWS IAM plays a pivotal role in ensuring compliance with regulatory frameworks by enabling audit trails and access logging, which meticulously tracks all user activities and provide a verifiable record for audits, offering critical oversight. It supports critical standards such as GDPR and HIPAA, helping organizations meet legal and industry-specific requirements with confidence, ensuring adherence to global regulations. Now, the transparency that's afforded by that detailed access tracking further enhances its utility, offering clear insights into who accessed what and when, which is invaluable during compliance reviews and audits. Additionally, this focus on compliance lays a solid foundation for developing practical IAM skills, equipping learners to apply these concepts effectively in securing their AWS environments. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of why mastering IAM is so essential. So we're going to have a quick look at what's ahead. In our next phase of learning, we will dive into Section 2, Mastering IAM Users, where you'll gain hands-on experience creating and configuring an IAM user within an AWS environment. This practical application will build your foundational skills in user management, setting the stage for secure account administration. Continuing with Section 3, Leveraging IAM Groups, you'll explore how to define the concept of IAM groups and evaluate their utility and permission management. This section will equip you with strategies to assign permissions efficiently using group-based approaches, streamlining your administrative workflows. Moving to Section 4, Crafting IAM Policies, you'll learn to construct basic IAM policies and understand their role in governing access within AWS. This will progress to developing tailored policies and testing them to ensure they meet both security standards and functional requirements. And finally, in Section 5, Implementing IAM roles, you'll discover the purpose and benefits of IAM roles in secure permissions assignment. You'll master applying roles to users and applications and employ advanced strategies to enhance the resilience of your AWS environments. This foundation will empower you to build a secure and efficient AWS infrastructure as we progress through the course. So now that you've finished the introduction, you can move on to the next lecture.